Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. To those of you who have never seen one, here is a vintage Mercury battery from a Fujica Single-8 camera. And we'll turn it around here. This one is 2.7 volts. There you are. And there you are. Positive on this side. Alright, so we have that one. Here's another one. Mercury battery. This also came out of a Fujica Single-8 camera, yet it's 2.6 volts. As you can see, it's really bad. It's already started to split. And up here on the positive side, it's warped. Alright. So again, those who have never seen these, here they are. Just like so. Alright. So these things right here, they're going to do you no good. You just want to take them and dispose of them properly. They definitely are mercury cells. Alright? So just to show you that, do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, later.